Okay.
Also with Odoo, what I liked was it was very user friendly in the first place.
It is so.
So I think I got this impression from Odoo that, if we go further with this, then there would be a lot of opportunities for us to explore more things. Things have become more centralized for me as a director. What I need to see is all the reports at one dashboard to anyone who want to upgrade.
Yes.
So I think it's a very good app and
Okay.
very good system. And the best thing is that they're learning every day. They're implementing something new every day.
Hello everyone, we are here with Mr. Sanyam. He is the director of G Kumar Electro Private Limited. He is here to share his seamless journey with Odoo. Hello sir, how are you doing?
Hi, I'm doing well.
How do you feel about the Odoo community days, sir?
So it's like my second day here, and I've enjoyed almost every session I attended, and I got to learn about various new things about Odoo apps which I can use in my business.
Okay, that is very good. So before we start about your journey with the Odoo, we would love to know about your business, your industry, and how you are operating right now.
So I'm in the second generation of the business. We are into distribution of electrical goods, and we are present in Lucknow, Delhi, Gurgaon, and Rudrapur. So our core business model is to sell electrical products of various top brands of the country, and mainly our customers are end users, retailers, contractors, and sometimes it's government.
Okay, that's very good. So, as you mentioned that you are all like a second generation into the business, so it has been very long, right? So, what point of time you feel that I will require some software or something to streamline the business or something to manage the business, like?
I think there were many reasons for us to switch to Odoo. One of the reasons were that we were having a lot of data, and we wanted dynamic reports for our company to take better decisions. So prior the software we were using, we could not get all kind of data we required. Plus also it was not able to process that much of data.
Okay.
So that was one of the reasons. Also, we needed a lot of integrations like WhatsApp, email,
Yes.
and CRM activity, which we did not have in a earlier software. So that made us come to.
Okay, in the era of digitization, it's like a nominal things and requirement any business would be like to use, right? For a good engagement with the customer and better management and all. Okay, so when you feel about the software that yes, we want something, you must go through so many options apart from Odoo as well, right? So can you explain that why did you choose Odoo over the other options?
To be honest, I explored about a couple of options before trying Odoo. So we also tried SAP.
Okay.
But for various reasons, we could not get used to it, and we did not find the UI that good for us. So we couldn't go further with that software.
Okay.
Also with Odoo, what I liked was it was very user friendly in the first place.
It is so.
So I think I got this impression from Odoo that if we go further with this, then there would be a lot of opportunities for us to explore more things which we were not aware of then. And thankfully, we took the right decision so far, which I feel.
Okay.
And we're getting a lot of integrations done, a lot of customizations done for us, which is helping our organizations to grow, and it is increasing our efficiency and productivity.
Okay. So this is all about product and the features, functionality to manage your business like that. But if we see the other part, the service part, like a customer support service or let's say the implementation process, how do you find that? Would you like to comment something about the implementation journey with the Odoo?
So the implementation was very smooth for us. Like we got like very good support from the team, and the team went an extra mile to help us with all the problems we faced, and they assisted us very well, and it was like very smooth. And
Okay.
after the implementation, we faced like couple of issues, but they are like getting resolved. So I think
Okay.
the
That's
team is
good.
working very well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, we are so great to, see that our customers are this much happy to by using the services and all. So this is something we always look for. And if I talk about the, real experience when you start using in your organization, right after the implementation, it's always a challenge for any director or a founder of the company to adopt the system and teach your employees as well that this is the new system and this is some new SOPs we settle down, and you have to follow this.
Right.
So was it difficult that time, like when you go live?
See, initially, we faced resistance from the employees because they were not used to something like this. So we had a very traditional software earlier. So they were used to different habit. They had different kind of habit with that associated with that software. So yes, initially we faced a bit of
Naturally.
behavioral problem.
Yes, yes.
But now, if I ask them, like the situation has got like really better, and now if
Okay.
I ask them to go back to the earlier software and use it again, then they would give resistance to that because they like
Okay.
the software better
Okay.
because it's giving better reports. It's more productive and more user friendly, I would say.
Okay, when person him or herself like use the interface and everything, then definitely anyone would like to save the time and efforts, of course. And if I talk about you as a director, what are the impacts you have visibly witnessed that what we are doing before the Odoo we were doing like, and what we are right now after Odoo? So can you just highlight few impacts regarding business?
I think things have become more centralized for me as a director. What I need to see is all the reports at one dashboard, which is very
Yes.
important for me. Earlier, I could not do that. So earlier, I had to do a lot of micromanagement. I had to, like for accounting, I had to talk to my account manager. For HR, I had to speak to the HR person. But now, with the help of dashboard and centralized reporting, I'm able to see everything at just one place only.
Yes.
So that I think that has increased my personal productivity, and now I can take like more better decisions because I can consider multiple aspects.
Yes, yes, definitely.
Yeah.
And you have a control over the most of the departments and everything
Correct.
from the one single screen. So you can just everything is on your fingers, we can
Yes.
say.
Yes.
Okay. So would you like to recommend your competitors or friends, family regarding Odoo? Like,
See, to competitors, I won't recommend because I don't want to. I don't want them
I
to be
must say you
as
are very honest about
efficient
it.
as we are. But yes, to anyone who want to upgrade,
Yes, yes.
so I think it's a very good app and
Okay.
very good system. And the best thing is that they're learning every day. They're implementing something new every day, which is the best part.
Okay.
So if they lack something, I'm very sure in a year or two they would bring that
Yeah,
thing
yeah,
and
yeah. Because
stay
we as a
themselves
company
updated.
keep growing and keep
Yeah.
updating every
So that's
year.
the best part, which I see no other company is doing that very well as
Okay.
Odoo is doing.
Okay. So, what you are thinking for like next 5 years about your business, like your vision, and how you think that capabilities of the Odoo will help you out? Like, is there any feature in your mind right now that you are, asking for it and you need it, and this is not there? So it's just for we would like to know there for improvements.
I think with the increase of data, uh, we would eventually we'll get to know what all things, what all kind of reports we would need in the future. But it's just been like a month since we've
Okay.
started using.
Okay.
So it would be too early for me to give a 5-year vision with the Odoo.
Okay.
But for future, if I say there should be more apps for customer acquisition.
Okay.
because I think that is something I'm looking forward to. Because I'm sure Odoo has the capability to handle all kind of data, and it can give report for all kind of situations. So I think customer acquisition is something which is not there in the industry itself, in any ERP. I think that is one thing that you can take advantage of, and you can bring something regarding that.
Surely, sir. We are always open to hear out from our customer for better improvements and upgradations in the upcoming versions. So hopefully you will get it in the near future. So thank you for being with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.